Hi everyone, the Home Service Pro here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your furnace filter. Now you should replace your furnace filter at least every 6 months, and if you have pets or things like that, you may have to replace it more often. Now it's important to keep your air filter clean because it helps with the quality of air in your home and it also helps reduce your energy costs. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is take the cover off of your air filter rack. Now that that's off, we can pull out our old furnace filter. And as you can see, it was definitely time to replace this. Now, let's get our replacement air filter. And we recommend using nothing less than a MERV 11 filter. Now let's get this unwrapped. All right, so when you put this in, you always want to make sure that your airflow arrow is going toward your furnace like that. And now we're going to put it in and line it up with the grooves. Just like that. And then we're going to put our cover back on. Alright guys, so I just wanted to explain why I put the airflow arrow going towards the furnace. So the blower sucks the cold air from the cold air return through the air filter into the blower and up and across the heat exchanger, which then blows that warm air into your home. Well, there you go, guys. We got our furnace filter replaced. Now we have good quality air and we're saving money. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow and we really appreciate your support. Have a great day and remember, you got this. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.